1. 1978 Ford F-100 Single Cab Short Bed, $14,500, Cleveland, Tennessee. This 1978 Ford F-100 offers a classic, rugged look with a custom patina paint job. Powered by a V8, 302, 5.0 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this truck is ready to hit the road. The vehicle has 107,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean and clear title. Its 15-inch rims and rear-wheel drive system enhance its vintage appeal, while its functional short bed and single cab design make it perfect for both work and show. This truck combines both style and utility, ideal for anyone looking for a well-maintained classic Ford pickup. Two, Don 1977 Ford Custom Log Bed Hot Rod, $14,800. This 1977 Ford Custom is an eye-catching build, blending classic style with hot rod elements. Powered by a 390V engine and an automatic transmission, it's perfect for those who appreciate raw muscle. The truck comes with new 20-inch wheels and tires, a newly installed bench seat, and a fresh headliner. The patina clear coat enhances the vintage charm, while the long bed offers ample space for whatever you need to carry. Whether you're a hot rod enthusiast or a lover of classic trucks, this Ford Custom delivers power and style. Hashnot 3, 1980 Chevy Short Bed C10 2WD, $12,000, San Marcos, Texas. This 1980 Chevy C10 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable vintage truck. The truck features a 350 engine that was replaced last year, paired with an automatic 350 turbo transmission. It includes a 3-inch lift, new tires, and a bed liner, all contributing to its functional yet appealing look. With 121,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has been well maintained and is registered and titled in the seller's name. The clean title and solid mechanical condition make this a great choice for anyone seeking a workhorse with a classic vibe. 4. 1984 Chevy Silverado, $15,000, New Mexico. This 1984 Chevy Silverado is a standout with its excellent condition and low mileage. Having only 4,315 miles on the odometer, it rolled over. It's powered by a V8 engine and comes with a clean, classic look. The truck is equipped with power windows, door locks, air conditioning, and a new AM/FM cassette deck, making it a comfortable ride for those long trips. New tires ensure it drives as well as it looks. This Silverado combines vintage style with modern comfort, perfect for someone looking to own a piece of Chevrolet history. 5. 1987 GMC Sierra 2500 4x4 manual, $15,000, Prairie Village, Kansas. This 1987 GMC Sierra is an excellent choice for those seeking a sturdy 4x4 pickup with a manual transmission. It features a 350 motor, factory AC, and just 80,000 miles. The long bed adds to its practicality, while the newly installed rear differential ensures reliable performance. This truck is in excellent condition, and with a clean title, it is ready to go. It runs and drives smoothly, a testament to its robust design and craftsmanship. This Sierra is perfect for anyone who needs a versatile, dependable workhorse that's also a joy to drive. Number 6, 1989 Ford F-350, $10,900, Colburn, Idaho. The 1989 Ford F-350 is a classic diesel truck that stands out for its durability and power. Powered by a 7.3-liter diesel engine, it has a manual 5-speed transmission and 133,000 miles on the body, with a remanufactured engine that has only 50,000 miles. The truck is in good condition, with new wheels, tires, and a 4-inch lift. It's a clean 2-owner truck that has been well cared for. The engine runs great and it starts easily even in cold weather, thanks to recent maintenance like glow plugs and oil changes. This Ford F-350 is perfect for anyone looking for a classic diesel truck with a strong work ethic. 7, 1972 Pontiac Luxury LeMans, 10,000, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. This 1972 Pontiac Luxury LeMans is a great choice for those who appreciate classic American muscle and comfort. The original 400 CI engine and TH400 transmission provide ample power, while the car's solid frame and floors ensure it will last for years to come. The engine is strong and doesn't burn oil, and the carb and intake are well maintained. The car has some minor rust, but overall, it's in good condition. The installation of a 1976 HD Trans AM front sway bar adds to its performance. This Pontiac is perfect for a classic car enthusiast looking for a project with a lot of potential. 8, 1974 Chevy Impala, $15,000, Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. This 1974 Chevy Impala is in excellent condition, with only 86,000 miles on the odometer. It features a classic blue paint job and has a smooth-running V8 engine. The interior is clean and well kept, and the car comes with the original factory rear defroster, a nice for those who want to restore it to its full original glory. Despite lacking air conditioning, this Impala offers classic American luxury and style at an affordable price. This is a great opportunity to own a timeless American cruiser. 9, 1967 GMC Pickup truck. This 1967 GMC Pickup is mostly stock with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. It features a beautiful blue exterior and has received several updates, including new tires, seat, gas tank, and chrome bumpers. The truck also comes with the original 327 V8 engine and transmission if the new owner wants to upgrade. It's in excellent condition for its age, and the power steering edition makes it easier to handle. This GMC is a solid investment for anyone who wants a reliable, vintage pickup that's easy to restore or enjoy as is. Ten, 1966 Ford F100, 14900s DePere, Wisconsin. This 1966 Ford F100 long bed is a California truck, recently shipped to Wisconsin. It's in great condition with all trim intact, and it runs and drives smoothly. The truck features a manual transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. The body is in great shape, but the original windshield is cracked. The truck includes a set of aftermarket wheels and tires, adding to its unique character. This Ford F100 has great patina and is a perfect choice for anyone who loves classic trucks with a little history. Number 11, 1966 Chrysler 300, $12,000 Nevada. This 1966 Chrysler 300 is a clean and well-maintained coupe with only 69,954 miles on the odometer. It features a 383 big block engine, an automatic transmission, and plenty of luxury features, including air conditioning, power brakes, and power steering. The engine runs well, and the car drives superbly. The only issue is the radio, which isn't working due to a power antenna issue. Overall, this Chrysler 300 is a solid example of a vintage luxury car that's been well cared for and offers plenty of performance and comfort. 12, 1966 Chevy C10, $15,000, Sevierville, Tennessee. This 1966 Chevy C10 is in good condition with a 48,824 mile odometer reading. The truck has been upgraded with new tie rods, brakes, wiper linkage, and various other components, ensuring it drives smoothly and reliably. The body has some surface rust, and the grille is rusty, but the frame is rust-free. The truck comes with new wheels and tires, making it ready for any adventure. It also includes new suspension parts like ball joints, front shocks, and springs. This Chevy C10 is perfect for someone looking for a classic truck with plenty of upgrades and potential. These vehicles offer a wide range of classic truck and car options, each with unique features and varying levels of restoration or originality. Whether you're looking for a solid workhorse or a project to tinker with, these classics deliver style, history, and plenty of potential.